Hey love bugs, welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck, and today I am here to reveal my natural hair. So this is my beautiful 26-inch in length hair. She's growing directly out of my scalp, and you know your girl is capped. We are doing a V-part wig install today, courtesy of Unice, and your girl got the leave out going. You guys can see the lace tan here, so forgive that. It's gonna go away at some point, but right now the tan is tanning. Nonetheless, I gave my hair a nice like 4-inch cut. I know that last time I did a V-part wig, you guys were eating me up in the comments about how I needed a cut. So today I did it, and I even allowed my husband to make it even in the back. You guys know that viral cut across that people do whenever they get their hair cut at salons. I had him do that after I went in and cut it myself to kind of get rid of all the dead ends. And we are on a journey to a fresh start. I'll talk about that more in another video, but here I just want you guys to see we got the forehead realness and the natural hair going on up top, and then of course we got the V-part wig installed. I'm gonna go in and give you guys the tutorial, so if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. So today I've teamed up with Unice, and they sent me over a wig. This one I believe is a Yaki straight V-part wig. Now it's a little mangled because I was trying to film this last night and I was just so tired. I was like, this video is not gonna give, so let's just wait till the morning. Let's regroup, refresh, and see what it's giving. We're going Yaki straight, and look at how like nice and full and thick this is. This is a banger. So if you're somebody who likes to wear your natural hair and you want to give like at least the majority of it a rest, or at least do like a V-part or a sewing vibe, this is gonna be for you. Let's go over the cap construction. As you guys can see, the parting is shaped similar to a V, hence why it's called a V-part. There are these two straps here which we will cut off. They just do this during the whole cap construction so that when you receive it, it kind of has some structure if you want to put it like on a wig head or whatever the case may be, and it's not just already open, but you do cut those little pieces off. Inside construction of the cap, this is a drawstring, so you do get 2 combs on the side, you get 1 at the nape, and then you get the really nice drawstring. Then you also get your adjustable removable elastic band. The cap is fairly breathable, it's not too dense. As far as the drawstring goes, this is what it looks like from the inside, and then this is what it looks like from the outside versus the inside. As you guys can see, it does have a stopper, so you can literally pull and adjust as tight as you want. Just with that, I was able to get it like so small. Like this probably is the head shape of a newborn baby, and you would literally be able to just tuck the rest of that string in and throw it on. Now obviously my head is not that tight, so you can just pull the strap or that stopper and open it up. And then even when it's like tight like this, it's super stretchy. There's a lot of stretch back there. So if you really want it to be tight, I would recommend making it tight and then allowing or relying on that stretch to really go in. Let me go ahead and part out my own natural head. I combed it out, and so now it's time to reveal. Hey love bugs, and we're back with freshly washed hair. My hair was too nappy yesterday to go in and just do it, so I ended up having to wash and blow dry it this morning. So now I think we're good to go. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just cutting off these little tabs, and this is just kind of what kept the cap construction together, if you will. I don't think they really want to send you a wig when it's already like this, and so having those little strips allow them to put the wig like on a wig head. I already showed you guys the drawstring, and then not sure I showed you this, but you do get 4 of these clips, and they are very sturdy. You open it, slide your hair through, pop it closed, and it's not going anywhere. And then you also have an adjustable removable elastic band, and you can go ahead and adjust this, or you can just take it off. So now that we have this done, my hair, you guys know in the last V-part video that I did, my hair was very much suffering. And when I say suffering, I mean I needed a haircut really bad, so I did cut it today. And you guys know when you do that fresh cut, you need to put a rubber band on the ends because it'll unravel. I want to say I cut about 4 inches, 3 to 4 inches, but because it was so uneven, it's so much fuller, and my husband kind of cleaned it up at the ends. I already sectioned out a V, because I'm gonna put this back here because the clips and combs will make me cringe, because I do have a really tender head. I'm tender-headed. So I'm gonna leave the wig cap back here, and we're gonna just go ahead and put the wig on. So you gotta like go around and maneuver it this way opposed to flipping it upside down. And then once it's here, ouch. Okay, so we have the wig on. Let's go ahead and unravel our leave out. My leave out is shaped like a V, but I fear I may have made it too wide. I like a lot of hair left out in my leave out, so I overextended my parting, but you can open up the clip, slide the hair in, pop. Same thing here. I'm gonna open up the clip, slide it in, pop it closed. Now once you get to this step, be sure to feel, like if it feels like it's pulling or that it hurts, adjust it now because it's not gonna feel better. You know what I mean? It's not gonna get better. And then from here, we're gonna do a center part. Next, we can make the flat iron hot. Okay, so I'm giving the moment, or y'all, sometimes I'm talking and I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I'm giving the flat iron a moment to heat up so we can go ahead and tame the leave out. Now, ideally, you would only want to do one heat pass. And you can do the chase method with the comb. I think that's good enough. We can make that blend. Also, like whenever I am straightening my wigs or like weave, I tend to just grab the hair and straighten it. But when it comes to your real hair, you do want to make sure that you detangle and comb it out first. And again, you can use a chase method for a more silk finish. So this is my real hair. I feel like I could do a big chop way up here to get it back to normal, but also like this here used to be a bang and it's growing out, and behind it, this here is not bang. Okay, now it's all about blending. I'm gonna just take a little bit of the wax stick in my hand, rub it together, warm it up, and try to get it to lay down and blend because I just blew it out. You know, it has that no oil in it, that flyaways, and I really wanted to grab on. And voila, just that simple and easy. And then you can take your flat iron and straighten out the ends. Also, it's a good idea to kind of like brush your baby hair forward, especially when you have a big forehead. It helps to make it look just a little bit more fuller in the front. Another thing I like to do is take a little piece of sideburns, kind of bring that forward. I may have brought more forward on this side. And voila, babies, we are done with this look. I feel like it'll look better second day, but since my hair is freshly washed, again, the natural oils had to set in. But you guys know your girl got a big forehead. Let me show you guys what it looks like from the back. And that is pretty much it. Super simple and easy. This is more inviting sometimes than a frontal when it comes to, as I always say, like first dates, or today I had parent-teacher conference for our youngest daughter. And so I feel like this sometimes is a little bit more inviting, a little bit easier for people to accept if you care. I don't care about that. I wear a frontal or a closure almost every day. So clearly I don't care about that. But if you like someone who likes the leave out, if that's more your zhuzh, then I highly recommend. This is simple, easy, low maintenance. It gets the job done. So as I mentioned, this one did come from Unice. You guys know, if you watch me and follow me, you gotta already know about the Unice packaging. This one here is 24 inches in length. Inside, I believe this came with this, there are a pack of combs. Forgive me if this didn't come with this package because I don't think I've ever seen combs come in here before, but YOLO. We also got a pack of Unice HD wig caps, which you can only find exclusively with Unice. We also got the melt belt, which for this one, since it's not a closure or a frontal, we have no lace. We may not need this one for this, but trust me, it will get used. And then last but most certainly not least, we got some cute little press-ons, and these are some of the best press-ons on the market. Kid you not. So that is pretty much it, guys. You know, it's 3:17. You already know where I'm headed to dance. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there's a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.